Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy you are here. I am glad you want to learn English. Today the episode is about my airport experience. The words are simple. The sentences are short. You can listen and repeat with me. You can practice each line. You can learn common phrases for the airport. This lesson will help you speak slowly and clearly. It will help you feel calm in a real airport. It will help you ask for help. It will help you understand signs and staff. First, I will say some key words for the airport. Listen and repeat after me. The words are easy. Passport, boarding pass, luggage, suitcase, bag, carry-on, gate, terminal, check-in, security, metal detector, scanner, tray, line, queue, seat, window, aisle, boarding, delay, cancel, arrival, departure, customs, immigration, passport control, baggage claim, carousel, taxi, shuttle, map, sign, announcement. Repeat after me. Say each word slowly. Say the words with me. You can pause the video and repeat each word one by one. This is good practice. Good pronunciation comes with practice. Now I will give simple phrases for the airport. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. I need to check in. Where is the check-in desk? My flight is at 9. What is my gate number? When does boarding start? I have only carry-on luggage. Where is security? Where is passport control? I need help, please. I am lost. How much time to the gate? Is this the line for flight 235? Where is baggage claim? My bag is lost. I am ready to board. Can I change my seat? I need a wheelchair. These phrases help you ask questions. They help you get answers fast. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. I will speak slowly. I will show a short monologue that you can use when you meet a helper at the airport. Listen and repeat after each line. Hello, my name is Ben. I am traveling today. I am flying to New York. My flight number is 235. I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag. Here is my passport. I need to check in my bags. I would like a window seat, please. I have a special meal request. I need to sit near the front. Thank you for your help. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Say each line again. Say it one more time with a clear voice. Now I will give a longer monologue about a full airport experience. Listen carefully. Repeat with me when I ask. I wake up early on the day of my flight. I check my phone for the flight time. I pack my bag. I put my passport and boarding pass in my bag. I leave the house. I take a taxi to the airport. The driver is friendly. We talk about the weather. The drive is smooth. We arrive at the airport. I go to the check-in desk. The line is short. I show my passport. The agent smiles. She asks my name. She prints my boarding pass. She tags my suitcase. I put my bag on the scale. The bag is fine. I say thank you. I go to security. At security, I take off my shoes. I take off my belt. I put my laptop in a tray. I put my liquids in a small bag. I put my phone in the tray. I walk through the scanner. I take my things at the end. I put on my shoes. I put on my belt. I pick up my laptop. I find my gate on the airport screen. The gate is B12. I walk to gate B12. I find my seat near the gate. I sit and wait. I read a book. I drink water. I watch the flight board. The board shows my flight is on time. I smile. Repeat after me. I am at gate B12. My flight is on time. I feel happy and calm. Sometimes a flight is delayed. I will say a short scene for a delay. Listen and repeat. An announcement is loud in the terminal. The voice says the flight is delayed. The new boarding time is in 1 hour. People look at each other. Some people are tired. Some people are frustrated. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. I open my book. I drink coffee. I change my plans. I call my host. I say I will be late. Repeat after me. The flight is delayed. I will wait and relax. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Now I will act out a simple conversation with a flight attendant on the plane. I will give both parts for practice. I will ask the question first. Then I will give the answer. Listen and repeat. Passenger, where is the restroom? Flight attendant, the restroom is at the back of the plane. Passenger, can I have water please? Flight attendant, here is a bottle of water. Passenger, may I have a blanket? Flight attendant, yes, here is a blanket. Passenger, can I change seats? Flight attendant, let me check. There is one empty seat on the aisle. Passenger, thank you very much. Flight attendant, you are welcome. Repeat after me. Can I have water please? Thank you very much. Now a short scene at customs after you land. I will speak slowly. Please repeat each line. Officer, may I see your passport? Traveler, here is my passport and visa. Officer, what is the purpose of your visit? Traveler, I am here for tourism. I will stay 3 days. Officer, where will you stay? Traveler, I will stay at a hotel in the city. Officer, do you have enough money? Traveler, yes, I have cash and cards. Officer, enjoy your stay. Traveler, thank you. Repeat after me. I am here for tourism. I will stay 3 days. Now I will give a practice list of questions you might hear at the airport. I will say each question twice. You can repeat after me. What is your name? Where are you flying to? Do you have any bags to check? Do you have your passport? Do you have liquids in your bag? Have you packed your bags yourself? Is your bag locked? Do you have any sharp objects? Are you carrying any food? Do you have any medication? Where is your boarding pass? Which gate is my flight? What time does boarding start? Is this the line for flight 235? These are common questions. Practice saying them out loud. Now I will give more practice for announcements and signs. This will help you understand simple messages at the airport. Repeat after me. Boarding will begin at gate B12. Final call for passengers on flight 235. Please proceed to gate B12. Flight 235 now boarding. Please have your boarding pass ready. Passengers arriving from abroad go to passport control. Baggage claim is on level 1. Welcome to the city. Lost and found is near exit 2. Taxis are outside door 5. Shuttle buses are at stop 3. Repeat after me. Boarding will begin at gate B12. Now I will tell you about my feelings at the airport. I will speak slowly. I was a little nervous before my trip. I felt new and unsure. I checked my papers many times. I counted my bags. I asked the agent to help me. She was kind and calm. She gave me good advice. I listened and I followed her steps. I went through security and I was fine. I found my gate. I ate a little lunch. I breathed slowly and I smiled. I felt proud when I boarded the plane. I felt calm when I sat in my seat. You can feel this too. Repeat after me. I can do this. I can travel by plane. Now I will give tips to make your airport day easier. These are short tips. Pack the night before. Check your flight time 1 day before. Put your passport in a safe pocket. Keep your boarding pass handy. Wear shoes that are easy to take off. Do not pack large liquids in your carry-on. Label your luggage with your name. Give yourself extra time for traffic. Bring a book and headphones. Charge your phone and power bank. Bring snacks if you feel hungry. Be polite to staff. Smile and say thank you. Repeat after me. I will give myself extra time. Now I will give a short long example story. This will be one long monologue you can use to practice telling a friend about your trip. Listen and repeat parts. I woke up at 5 in the morning. I checked my flight on my phone. The taxi arrived at 6. The driver helped me with my bag. We talked about the traffic. The ride took 30 minutes. I arrived at the airport at 6:45. I went to the check-in desk. The agent was kind and fast. She gave me my boarding pass and tag for my suitcase. I walked to security. The line moved quickly. I took my shoes off and placed my things in a tray. I walked through the scanner. I put my things back in my bag. I found gate B12 and I sat down. I read a book for 45 minutes. I bought a coffee. I watched people come and go. Then the loudspeaker announced boarding. I showed my pass and I walked on the plane. The flight was smooth. The flight attendant smiled and offered snacks. I arrived at my city on time. My friend picked me up and we went to the hotel. Repeat after me. I woke up at 5 in the morning. I arrived at the airport at 6:45. Now I will give short practice for problem phrases. These are useful if you lose your bag or miss a flight. Repeat after me. My bag did not arrive. Where is my bag? I lost my boarding pass. I missed my flight. Can I take the next flight? Is there a hotel near the airport? Can you help me find my bag? I need to speak to the airline. Please call the airline desk. I need to change my flight. I need a refund or a new ticket. The agent will help you. Be calm and clear. Use short sentences. Repeat after me. I missed my flight. Can I take the next flight? Now I will give step-by-step practice for check-in and security. Repeat each step. Step 1. Arrive at the airport. Step 2. Find your airline desk. Step 3. Show your passport. Step 4. Give your checked bags. Step 5. Get your boarding pass. Step 6. Find security. Step 7. Take off shoes and belt. Step 8. Place laptops and liquids in trays. Step 9. Walk through the scanner. Step 10. Pick up your things. Step 11. Find your gate. Step 12. Wait for boarding. Step 13. Listen to the announcements. Step 14. Show your boarding pass and board. Repeat after me. Step 1. Arrive at the airport. Now I will give a final practice section. I will say a full short speech. You can repeat the whole speech. Hello everyone, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today I will tell you about my airport experience. I woke up early and I went to the airport. I checked in my bag and I went through security. I waited at gate B12. I read and I drank coffee. The flight boarded on time. The flight was smooth and the staff was kind. I arrived and I went through customs. My bag arrived on the carousel. My friend met me and we left the airport. Travel is a good chance to learn. You will get better each time. Repeat after me. I will get better each time. That is the end of our long practice and example. Remember to practice out loud. Repeat the lines you find hard. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice with a friend if you can. Use these phrases in a real airport. Be calm and polite. Be patient and clear. You will learn fast with small steps. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.